Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Start by reading the fabric label and set the iron accordingly. Cotton 200-220 degrees C, linen 220 degrees C, silk 110-150 degrees C. Wash or steam the kurta pajama first and keep them damp, or use a spray bottle to mist evenly before you press. Damp fibers respond faster and reduce scorch risk. Lay a clean cotton towel over the board, or use a fresh ironing board cover to protect delicate trims. Plug in a steam iron and allow 3 to 5 minutes to reach temperature, so begin ironing the kurta at the smallest details. Start with the collar and placket, ironing from tips toward the center to keep seams flat and prevent creasing at the join. Next, move to sleeves. Turn cuffs inside out and press with light pressure, using a press cloth over embroidery, sequins, or prints to avoid damage. For the body panels, work in sections with vertical strokes and gentle steam, keeping about a 3-5 inch margin from seams so fabric lies smooth without stretching. Finish with the yoke and shoulders. Lay the pajama flat on the board and iron the pajama front and back flat, starting at the waistband and moving toward the hem to avoid new creases. If you prefer a sharp trouser look, create a neat crease by folding the leg edges together, aligning seams precisely, and pressing a 1/4-inch crisp fold with steady pressure and steam. Once both garments are finished, hang the kurta on a padded hanger and the pajama folded or clipped. Allow 5 to 10 minutes to cool, and set the press before storing to preserve the finish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.